Hey guys, Greg with Collectiv, and today I want to share with you my favorite announcement from the Business Application Summit last week in the Power BI arena. And that announcement is something called composite models. So let's dive into this whiteboard here and show you exactly how composite models benefit in Power BI end users. So we're all using Power BI certified tabular models to build our Power BI reports, right? Well, here on the right, we have something called a sales certified data set. Here on the left, we have something called a financial certified data set. And in the past, we used to just build our reports off of that. But with a composite model, Microsoft is now enabling you to make a live connection from both models into one Power BI report. That means I can take a model from my sales and a model from my finance, bring them into my Power BI report, and create one report off from both models. But that's not it. Let's see what else we can do with that. We can now take a dimension from our financial data set and connect that to our sales data set, and vice versa. Pretty cool stuff. Let's see one more cool thing here. If I have some siloed data set that I want to bring in and actually report against because it's necessary for my one report, I can also import that data set into here and then make connections to dimensions or facts as needed. Pretty cool stuff, right? Mind blown. Awesome stuff, Power BI.